of the biggest challenges that we have at the moment within primary care as providers is an uncertainty around the future. We're dealing with a lot of short-term contracts or contracts that are coming to an end and a precarious financial flow that really puts small providers at risk for the future. What that really means in practical terms is that we're having to spend more time thinking about how we prepare ourselves for the future, which leads to a reduction in productivity and a reduced opportunity to innovate or to be creative. Like the pace of change around tech and AI is really increasing over the last sort of 12 to 18 months. In some ways that can be really positive. So the increased usage of ambient scribes is making a real difference to clinical time, allowing clinicians to spend more time with patients, which can be really excellent. And there are also some really good examples of things like AI receptionists who can speak multiple languages, etc., that will really improve access and equity for patients trying to access systems. I think that we're not learning from the past. So when we had GP system of choice, practices had many options to go for, and that led to a fragmented system with different systems not being interoperable. And I think we're going to have the same issue. We've got loads of different companies providing great options, but can they talk to each other and work together? Potentially not. And I don't think we always have the correct levels of data sharing in place to make sure things can work securely. It would be great to spend some time with the people who really make these choices. The NHS has had so much change over the last few years, and I think we'd really ask for some continuity and really chance to implement plans, because this constant change of direction really makes things difficult on the ground. I also think we need a real focus on moving financial flows. There's a lot of talk around left shift of activity. We know the benefits of delivering this kind of work in neighbourhoods closer to patients, but actually there isn't the contractual mechanisms to enact that. So really, how do we get people on board with this sort of work if they can't fund that activity? Until we can do that meaningfully, we won't see that change for patients and we won't see the improved outcomes that we're hoping to achieve.